Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
Waffle was very excited about singing his one line in the school show.
Evie, Waffle's waiting to go.
Waffle, please sing your line from the school song.
Okay.
I'll lead you in.
Yeah.
Rush to meet 'em.
Can't wait to meet them.
Well done, Waffle.
Sounds like you're ready for your lunchtime rehearsal, Waffle.
So come on, let's get you to school.
Right, hang on, one more thing. A little vocal warm-up with a tongue twister. You ready? Doug had a dog, the dog dug deep. How deep did dogs dug dig? Come on, I'll teach it to you. Doug had a dog, the dog dug deep. How deep did Doug's dog dig? Doug had a dog, the dog dug deep. How deep did Doug's dog dig? Oh, please, get out. Doug had a dog, dog dug deep. How deep did Doug dug? Open!
Yeah, in you come, poodles. That's it. Just
Hi,
come in
Mr.
here. That's
Anderson.
brilliant. Hope you've all had a good lunch. Yeah? Feeling ready to sing?
Yeah!
Oh, hello, Waffle Poodle. I hope you're ready too.
Yes, Mr. Andy Bum.
Okay. Thank you, Waffle. Now, I've laid out 20 pieces of paper in lines across the carpet. Now, they all have a name on them. And when I tell you to, I want you to come up and find the piece of paper with your name on it.
I've got the
please
music.
don't-
Ready for your final rehearsal?
Yeah,
Sorry,
okay.
I'm late, Mr.
All right,
Anderson. Through with the speakers.
Yeah, if you just move.
That's
Mr.
it.
Brooklyn Bell.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Right. Oh, thank you, Mr. O'Donnell. Yes, if you could help. Thank you very much. Right. Won't take me
Right,
long
so-
to set these up.
Yeah, so
And once
please,
I have, then you can start singing. Waffle knows his lines, don't you, Waffle?
Can't wait to meet them.
That's it. Good
very
boy.
good, Waffle. But remember, you can only sing your line when it's the right moment. Do you remember when that is?
Oh,
No,
sorry.
No, that's the wrong music, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. Yeah.
All sorted.
Waffle, you do remember when to sing a line?
There we go. Sorted.
I know. I'll stand next to you, and when it's your turn to sing, I'll pat you on the head just the way you like it.
Pat, head, sing.
Okay, poodles, thank you for waiting. Now, I want you to look at the carpet and imagine it's your stage, yeah? But to help you learn where to stand on stage, I've written all your names on pieces of paper. Now, when I say go...
Go!
Yeah, not yet, Waffle. The next time I say go, I want you to come up onto the carpet, find the piece of paper with your name on it, and then stand in the spot where you find it.
Oh no, Waffle, we might not be standing next to each other.
Oh.
Mr. Anderson, Mr. Anderson,
yes,
as I told Mr. Anderson why I needed to stand next to Waffle, Waffle climbed over a desk to look for his name on the carpet. And then this happened.
I think you might be a little bit
Sorry, Mr. Anderson. He's a bit excitable today.
So old,
Yes. Oh, God.
Okay, everyone try and find your name.
Find your names. I'll put Waffle out the way.
That's it.
Stay with me, Waffle.
Okay, poodles, listen to me. Okay, Mr. O'Donnell, please pick up the string for me. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, please just move the speakers to the back so we've got a little bit more room. Poodles, I need tallest at the back, smallest at the front. Okay, Leah, Tiara, if you come forward. Waffle, you're there. Evie, do you want to come in a bit? There we go. Go onto the carpet for me. That's great. Thank you. That's great. All looking at me.
Next to Evie.
What's happening now?
It's Waffle. He's first tickling our legs.
Where are you, Waffle?
He's here, Mr. Anderson. Remember I told you Waffle needs to stand next to me.
Please.
Oh, Waffle, you're too small. If you stand back here, then nobody's going to be able to see you sing your special line. And you want everyone to see you, don't you? So, would you return to the front row, please?
Okay.
But Mr. Anderson, he's got to stand next to me so I can pat him on the head when it's time for him to sing. Mr. Anderson, why doesn't Evie swap places with me and then she can be next to Waffle?
That's a fantastic idea, Naya. Thank you. Okay. Phew, right, I think we're finally ready to begin. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, please start the music. Now, look to the front, at me.
Looking.
Okay,
Okay.
big voices. This is your class song, the Poodles class song. Sing it proud and sing it loud. Are you ready?
Yes.
School we learn and sing, play, do our thing.
Doug had a dog. How did Doug's dog dig?
Waffle, why are you talking?
It's a tongue twister.
Yes, I taught Waffle this one, Mr. Anderson. Would you all like to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll teach it to you. It goes like this. Doug had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did Doug's dog dig?
Thank you, but we really must start the class song now.
Oh, it's just a good vocal warm-up, Mr. Anderson, and,
Okay,
and fun, too.
Okay, everyone together then.
Right, here we go. Doug had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did Doug's dog dig? Doug had a dog.
Hold it there. I think that's everyone's voices warmed up. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, if you play the music, please. Yes. And Waffle, concentrate. Wait for Evie to pat you on the head before you sing your line.
Okay.
At school we learn and sing, play, do our thing. Gotta wake up, can't be late to start the day. That'll be great. Hey, have school fun. Get our groove on. Rush to leader.
Okay, pat Waffle on the head, Evie.
Need a wee wee.
Oh, Waffle. That's not your line.
No, Mr. Anderson, I think Waffle really does need a garden wee. We won't be long.
All right, please hurry back, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. I need you to play the music. And Waffle, we can't finish without your line.
Oh, yeah, we'll be right back. Good boy, Waffle. You've done your garden wee. Now let's get back to rehearsals.
Play. Woohoo! Whoop. Oh, who's that?
Waffle, we haven't got time for this.
Hello, Mr. Nolan.
Hello, Waffle. Mr. Brooklyn Bell. And how is this rehearsal going?
Not very well, I'm afraid, Mr. Nolan. The Poodles haven't managed to get through their song once yet, I'm afraid.
Oh, dear. Why not?
It's Waffle. He just can't seem to concentrate. He's so excitable. Waffle, come on. We need to get back to rehearsals.
Waffle, play. Oh. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm in charge of the music.
Well, why don't you go back to the rehearsal room, Mr. Brooklyn Bell, and I'll bring Waffle back in a moment.
Thank you, Mr. Nolan. Waffle, good for Mr. Nolan.
Oh, okay.
Please come here, Waffle. Now, I hear you're very excited about singing the class song.
Yeah, can't wait to meet them.
Yes, well, it's good that you're excited, Waffle, but
Yeah.
when you're singing with a group, you must try to concentrate, otherwise things go wrong.
Okay, Mr. No-No. Okay.
Please remember, Waffle, when you go back into Poodle's class to practice your song, that you need to try extra, extra hard to concentrate.
Waffle, concentrate.
Now, I know you will because you're a clever and very kind dog.
Oh, thank you.
No,
Kissy?
Dog.
Doug had a dog. The dog dug. The dog dug deep. How deep did Doug's dog dig? Doug had a dog.
He's back.
Welcome back, Waffle. I think we have just enough time to sing the whole song through once before the lunch bell sounds. Mr. Brooklyn Bell, please play the music. Yes. Okay, you ready? Okay.
At school we learn and sing, play, do our thing. Gotta wake up, can't be late to start the day. That'll be great. Hey, having school fun. Get a good one.
Okay, get ready for your line, Waffle. Pat his head, Evie.
Can't. Oh.
The end of lunch bell. I'm sorry, Poodles, we've run out of time. That's it. If you just follow Mr. O'Donnell, don't worry. It's next time.
Oh.
You didn't get to say your line.
Didn't sing it. Oh.
I know. I have an idea.
At school we learn and sing, play, do our thing. Gotta wake up, can't be late to start the day. That'll be great. Hey!
Hi, Mum.
Waffle didn't get to do his line in rehearsals at school, so we're helping him sing it now.
Oh.
Hey! Having school fun, get our groove on, rush to meet 'em.
Can't wait to meet them.
Waffle was ready to sing in the school show tomorrow. But things wouldn't go exactly to plan, as you will see.
Yeah, here we go. Get on your dancing shoes. Teacher's over there. Feels like you just don't care. Oh, come up here.